Hi guys, bonjour, bonsoir. This is the sink video. Yes, the sink video is finally here. I was gonna wait until I get into my in-home salon. I already have an in-home salon now, but I'm setting up a whole other one, and I was gonna wait to do a tour to tell you guys about the sink, but I'm just gonna get this out so those of you who need the information, you can already have it. So basically this is the sink that you guys see a lot in my videos where I'm washing clients' hair from either starter locks or lock extensions. This is pretty much the assembly, and it's super easy. I did it in like 5 minutes. It's so easy. The harder part was finding out how to get water in and out of it, and that's really what you guys want to know. So I'm gonna hop right into it. Okay, so the first main component of getting water into the sink is the sprayer, or in my case, a handheld shower head, but it works just like a sprayer, and a hose that is connected to the bathroom that is right behind the area that I'm in. And the hose also needs adapters, and I'm going to touch on that in a little bit. But this hose is connected, like I said, to the shower in the bathroom that's behind the area that I'm in. I do not advise setting this up in a bathroom that you use. This bathroom, we don't use it at all. It's just for guests, and it's just there. So it wasn't hard to use it. You can also hook this up to your sink, but I find it to be easier to hook it up to the shower connection. And these are the adapters that I spoke about. These are essential to the operation. If you don't have these, it's just not going to work. These to adapt your hose either to your sink or your shower connection, and you needed to adapt it to your sprayer or handheld shower head. And you can find them anywhere. They're really cheap. Home Depot, Lowe's, places like that. And I chose a shower head that gave me extension and that was comfortable to use. And this one was, I believe, $30, maybe less. And it works really well. It has 9 functions. I'm able to change the water pressure. And this hose is actually called the pocket hose. It's 50 feet long. It expands and contracts. When it contracts, it's about 25 feet long, so half of the actual length. And it's really cool because if you're using all these hookups, you don't want things in your way. So once I'm done, as you can see, it's expanding right now. It's moving like a snake. But once I'm done and I turn off the water, it contracts and it kind of gets out of my way. All the links will be in the description for all the products that you see here if you are interested. So the links will take you straight to that. But I do recommend doing it if you are going to hook something like this up. Make sure the bathroom is close to your in-home salon or the area you're using. If you're just using it for family, make sure things are close because you don't want to run to turn on the water, run to do this and that. You want things to be really close. So I've turned off the water here, and as you can see, it's starting to contract right back to what it was. And this is how it looks in the shower. Now to talk about how I get water out of it, because obviously it takes a lot of water to wash someone's hair. This is called the rigid wet dry vac. This is the factory picture of it. I take the wheels off, and I don't need the extra accessories because I'm not really using it for soaking up water. Well, I kind of am, but not what it's intended for. But this is a really good buy because I have kids, they spill things, and this comes in handy. Like, I don't even need a carpet cleaner. I use this. But the rigid wet dry vac also comes with a pump. So that's how the water is pumped out of it. This little thing right here. And this is a normal, regular garden hose that hooks right up to the pump. And as soon as I'm done, I will just push the on button and it pumps all the water out for me. I don't have to pick up a bucket and go dump it. I don't have to worry about what am I going to do with this water sitting here. It pumps right from the wet dry vac or bucket right into the tub. And if you're working with a lot of hair, you're going to do this often, have a filter in your tub so hair doesn't get clogged in your drain. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. It is so easy. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you are trying to look for these products that I've spoken about, links will be in the description and the comment section. And remember, those adapters will make or break your operation. You need the adapters, and they're really easy to find. They're just the regular adapters for regular universal garden hose. And that is it. And I'm just going to talk a little bit about this sink itself and the things I like about it and things that I don't. I like the sink because it's portable. I can move it wherever. I just turn the chair to face the sink and it rests on their shoulders, which brings me to what I don't like about it, which is why I'm transitioning to a whole other sink, but I wanted to make this video before I did. And I don't like that it has to rest on the shoulders. And it doesn't have to, but it's the most efficient way if you don't want to get water all over the floor. It's the most efficient way. But if your client doesn't have broad shoulders, it's going to be a little uncomfortable for them. And if you're really trying to get in a thorough wash, by the time you're done, they're going to be a little uncomfortable. But if they have broad shoulders, they'll be in that thing relaxing. They'll be just fine. But those clients with not so broad shoulders, that part I don't really like, because I really like for people to be comfortable. So that's my only con with this. And then it doesn't go up and down. So it would be good to have a chair that goes up and down, sort of like this one here. That will be also in the links below. Sort of like this one here, it goes up and down and adjusts. I didn't want movement from one chair to the other. I wanted one chair. But here are some examples of how I've used this sink here. I know bad man and they want to say she know bad man they want to fail. African style, made the dance like Bob Marley me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. We changing style with the girl system warning. Me and I go waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live line. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste line. I mean a bad man, they want to see. I mean a bad man, them want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so. I know bad man and they want to say. She know bad man, they want to feel. Original Batman standard. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and those of you who requested this video, I hope it helped. If you have any additional questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll try my best to answer. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them are random. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, dark she no they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby.
baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning,